101. With the tailgate liner removed. I've already opened it up, but I'm going to show you what goes wrong with that lock that lives in here. Now I'm going to try and get some light on the subject. When you have to open your latch, they tell you to go through the little hole on the inside of the gate and lift up on this guy. Now I've got it all disconnected right now in the lockout, but I want you to focus on this rod, okay? This is the one that you're supposed to lift up, because it's the one that the solenoid can't open when the lock gets full of crap. Now here's the lock, and around the back, I'm going to flip this over now. We're focusing on, that's the guy that lock rod came out of, and that's the one that you want to pull up. And pulling up does that. I'm going to put it back down. Okay, so, and you can see that mine's moving relatively easy, and that's because I just took this all apart and I cleaned it. I took the electronics piece off, cleaned the rest with just in my Varsol tank, blew it out with air, and then used dry graphite. So it's moving pretty well now, and I've actually hooked it back up and tested it, and it's all working fine. But that's what's happening, is your tailgate gets in lock position, and because of gunk being in here, it just hasn't got enough jam to push this back up so you can unlock it. Okay, so I'm going to get this back assembled and we'll have another look at it installed. And we're back with this installed. Now, for perspective, it's kind of washing out in the light, but I'm looking at the underside of the gate, panels off, and I'm looking in at the latch now. I'm going to cycle my lock switch. See that guy moving? It's kind of hard to see, but down in the bottom, let's try it. It's hard to get the light in there at the same time. There, you can see it moving in the bottom. There it goes. So that's what you want to achieve. Alright, well, I hope that helps. But anyway, the bottom line is you reach through the hole and you make this guy up, and you should be able to open your gate. What a genius design. But they get dirty and dusty and seize up. And yeah, so now I will reassemble it. Once again, that's the little access hole. Don't forget, these are all pop-off type fasteners. Just be gentle. Try to get in and pull straight out as you can. And at the top here, don't forget, there's this guy that you got to get out as well. Alright, hope that helps you. Bye-bye.